Now I'm going to show you static, right? In the static also, I'm going to also show you these files as well. All right. Now in static, in static, we have these files over there. We have the autocomplete.js, then we have recommend.js, and then these two images. So let me show you what is inside this autocomplete.js, right? This, if you don't know about JavaScript, don't worry about anything here, right? There's nothing here to change. If you know about JavaScript, that's fine. You can figure things out over here and then change what you want to change. But if you don't know about JavaScript, you are not supposed to do that. It's not expected of you as a data scientist or machine learning engineer. It's a software engineering thing. Okay, so you are not supposed to actually do much here, right? But if you know JavaScript, that's fine. You can just change it to whatever that you want, right? You can change it to whatever that you want. I mean, just leave it as it is, right? This is just a template that you can use. Just leave it as it is. The same thing with recommend.js. It's also a JavaScript file, right? It's also a JavaScript file. There's one more thing that I want to show you over here, right? Here, if you come here, you see the sorry message that we were seeing earlier on is here. You can change it to whatever that you want, right? That's something that you can change. And then another thing that you need to change over here is this thing. Let me go all the way up here. Right now, here you see that we have my API key, right? Let me do this. This API key, you need to copy your API key that you created and bring it here. It's very important. Okay, this is very, very important. You need to put that API key here, otherwise it won't work. Okay, and then that is on 15, right? Line number 15, you need to put your API key over there, and then at line number 29, you need to also put the API key, the same API key. So you put it at line number 15, or you put it here, line number 15, then line number 29, you also put it over there. Okay, that's the two most important things that you need to do over here. The two most important things that you need to do over here, and you are done. Okay. That is for the recommend.js. Recommend.js. Make sure you put your API key at line number 15. You see that there's this quote there. Put it inside the quote. At line number 29, there's a quote there. Put it inside the quote. That's it. You're done over here. Okay. And if you want to change this error message too, you can change it. That's all you need to do over here. All right. Now for this image, now for image.jpg, right? That's JPEG image, right? And then loader.gif. Let me show you, right? So if you go into the folder, right? If you go into your folder over here, right, you can see that we have static. If you open static, you see that we have image.jpg and then loader.gif over there. Now, if you see this application, you can see that at the background, there's an image over there, right? There's an image at the background. If you don't like that image and you want to change it, right, you can just go to Google and then maybe search for maybe Netflix, or maybe any image that you want. Netflix, maybe HD images, right? Right, you can then you go to images, then you search for any image that interests you over there. So maybe this one, let me just download it, right? Save it as, and then I'm going to save it inside this. So wherever it is, right? So this folder that I created, I open, then I go to static, right? Inside the static is where I'm going to save it. Okay, now if I come here, you see that it's there, right? This is the one that we just downloaded, and this is the one that was already there, right? So I'm going to delete the one that was already there, right? Because probably you don't like the image that I've put over there, right? Then this one, I just rename it as image, right? And then let me get the spelling right. Image, and then you see that we have JPEG. Delete the E, right? And then press enter. That's it. You're done, right? Now, if I come here, and then if I go here and then refresh it, right, you're supposed to see it. But if you don't see it, if you don't see the image over there, right, you can just go here. If you're using Chrome, right, let me even close this. If you're using Chrome, go to this three dots over there, then go to settings, right? When you come here, search for cookies, right? Then go to this clear browsing data, right? Clear browsing data, click on that. And then here, make sure that everything is unchecked except cached images and files. Okay, everything should be unchecked except this one. Just check only this one, cached images and files, and then click on clear data. Once it is done, come back here and then refresh. Now you see that the image that we downloaded is now at the back. Now this one is too bright, so you can see that you can't even see this. This enter, you can't see it clearly, and it's going to interfere if I search for any movie at all, right? If I search for maybe X-Men, let me search for that movie and you see. Now you see that the results has come, but the background is interfering with the results, right? You see that even the reviews, you can't read it clearly because the background is interfering.